Now, this was when we already saw that beautiful orange algorithm. And at this point here, I talked about how a pullback will be ideal, necessary, and you see that starting to form. So this could be a beautiful pullback ZOMI trade if you were waiting out for that. But otherwise, just see for yourself how beautiful that orange was grabbing the liquidity right there. Absolutely beautiful trade. Now, even if you miss that, that's absolutely fine. 146. I talked about this selling continuation. You see it selling in that teal right there. Absolutely beautiful, isn't it? Wait for that structure to reform, and you see how the orange started building more liquidity here. And you see the absolutely beautiful structure all the way down to end of day. Now, even though I missed generally a large part of this move and this move here, but I caught just one single candle on the breakout of that orange, and that was 100% trade just by this several candles right here, as long as you're waiting for structure. So I want you to see it in a few different perspectives. Now, the first one is that you don't have to catch the full move for good profits. And the second one is that you can afford to be patient. And remember, we don't need the big moves to find good profits, as long as you know what you're doing with the structure and identify the algorithms right there. Absolutely beautiful trade right there. Now, it's about learning this skill, this lifetime skill, so you can do this for the rest of your life by learning to find 5-figure profit trades. And I've shown you it's very possible to do it, but it's a long-term skill you need to learn. So don't rush this. And most importantly, please do not join if you're looking for signals. Signals will ruin you. You need to learn this skill for a lifetime. So you can do this every single day for the rest of your life. And we're talking about $10,000 a day. Not a month, mind you. Every single day. This skill is worth every ounce of your energy and determination to learn and master. It's not going to be easy. Why should it? But it is possible. Stay focused. Run this race strong. It will be life-changing, not just financially, but you will see how trading will make you a better person. Stay focused.